right, so here we have a component that is receiving as an argument in the URL the ID of a movie, right, that we would like to display the details for, right? And this ID was given to us by another component, right, that has hyperlinks that allow you to navigate to that component. So we want to use that ID to go fetch the details for that movie. So let's do that, right? We have an example of what that URL might look like, right? Remember, if we put here I, right, and say equal, and I provide the ID of a movie, it'll fetch the details of that movie. In this particular case, the Guardians of the Galaxy. Right, so let's use that. Instead of using this hard-coded one, we could use the ID of a particular movie that we can search. Let's make sure first that once I pass it down to the details, that it actually has it, right? That it actually has that ID. Let's see. Let's see if we can print out here the ID of the movie. Let's see. In the details, we know that we're being passed the ID of the movie. Let's see if we can render it here. The way we can render it is that we know that part of the properties that from our parent component are being passed to us by the router. Right? The router passes in our properties, right, all the information that we need. Right? In particular, in this.props, it includes several things in here. It includes a history property, right, that allows you to navigate and change the URL programmatically. But another one is the matches property. Right? That property includes a map, right, of all the parameters from the URL. Okay, so if I say dot param, no wait, I think it's match or matches.
Just get IMDb ID though.
Yes, but I never provided it as a property per se, right? But I passed the entire property.
Well, you got two options.
I think it's params. I think it's params, and then this is IMDb ID. Let's see if this blows up. It did. So I guess it's match. Match? Oh, there it is. It is match. There we go. So these properties, these.props match, are being passed to us by the route. If we go back to the route, notice that the route, right, is being triggered by the pattern. Right? This component parses the path in the URL, right? And whatever follows movie is going to be parsed and is going to construct a map of all the parameters, and that map, the keys of that map, are going to be whatever you used here as the name of that placeholder. Right? So that's why I know that I'm looking at IMDb ID, because that's what I named it in the URL. Okay. Right, excellent. So I know I'm getting the IMDb from the hyperlink. I can use this to go fetch the data for the movie. So let's do that.